helping me put the washing out today.
Welcome.
Oh hi, you've just caught me putting the washing out. It's such a beautiful day, I thought I'd take advantage of the weather, just in case it rains later on. Thank you. Oh my goodness, did you hear that? That sounded like thunder, yes. Well, I hope it doesn't rain. Oh my god, I think I feel some droplets of rain. Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness, we're getting wet! Quick, Tia, get the clothes off the bed! Looks like we got caught in the downpour. We're just going to go and dry off and we'll see you in a moment.
Bye.
So welcome back. As you can see, we've dried off after getting soaking wet. The sun's back out again and there was a lovely breeze blowing actually.
And there's a rainbow.
And we've had a lovely rainbow. So when the sun is shining and there's rain at the same time, we get a beautiful, colourful rainbow. So Tia, what are we doing today?
We are making a pictorial weather chart.
Pictorial weather chart. What's a pictorial weather chart?
Pictorial is when you have a lot of pictures and something.
Wow, okay.
And a weather chart. What's a weather chart?
What's a weather chart?
A weather chart is when you know what the weather is going to be like today, like with pictures.
Lovely. So come along with us while we make a pictorial weather chart. Tia's looking shocked because this is what happened. A pigeon just pooped on our weather chart and I tried to clean it and all the felt tip pen just smudged. Nevertheless, we shall continue.
Ooh.
What day is it today, Tia?
It's Saturday.
And what's the weather like?
It is sunny, but there are a few clouds.
Okay, so what do we put on our chart?
First, for the day, we're gonna put
Saturday. And
for the weather, we're gonna put one sun and two clouds.
just perfect to hang our washing out. Here's our finished pictorial weather chart. You can have endless hours of fun changing the pictures and the days according to what the weather is outside and what day it is. Have lots and lots of fun making this, and I hope the weather's nice where you are. It's lovely here, there's a lovely breeze around now. Okay, until next time, bye bye!